Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to wrap your text in your table cells on Notion. So the first thing that I want you to do now, either to connect to your Notion web portal or just open your Notion application and follow the simple steps. So here I'm going to create like a new page as you are seeing here in my example, and now I'm going to create a table. So now I'm going just to click on this template or this table, and I will have this new table. So basically now I will need to add some rows, etc. So let's just delete this one, delete, and now just go here and it will create our new database. So we need first to click on the table or just select the data source so we can add the database. So we click a new one. You can select your page or new one, whatever. So here we have our cells. For example, you can have the name of your headers, etc. So this is my cell and I want to wrap the text here. So I'm just going to click everyone, etc. And as you can see, now my text is wrapping. But if it doesn't, the text is not wrapping in your cells, all you need to do is to go to the settings of the table and go click on it. And then you will need to search for not the layout, but the properties and the group, and go to the layout of our table. So we are on our layout, and now we go to show vertical lines, and here you can see there is an option that is called wrap all columns. So basically if I go like that, our column are not, let's hello again, if I quit my cell, I will see that my text is not fitting, and you can do like this, like resizing your column or your row manually, or you can just have the wrapping text feature. So you will just click on wrap all columns, you click on it, you enable it, and now you have your text that will be wrapped correctly in your cells on a table in Notion. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.